parent dreams of raising healthy, strong, and smart kids. But then it's easy to get overwhelmed with so much conflicting advice out there. So in this video today, we'll be breaking down kids-friendly wellness tips that are simple, fun, and science-backed so that your kids can grow up happy, healthy, and ready to shine. The first tip here is nutrition for growing minds and bodies. Let's first talk about food. Kids, you see, they don't just need calories, but they need nutrients that will fuel their brain and body. Things like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein-rich food keep the energy level stable and support learning. Do you know that omega-3 rich foods, walnuts, and flaxseed are essentially important for brain development? The second point here is movement and play. Movement, you see, is essential in your kids' life. Exercise, you see, is essential for children. And when I talk about it, I do not mean you should register your kids into a gym center. You see running, jumping, biking, and even dancing. All of these I've mentioned keep their body strong, boost their mood, and even better their sleep. The third tip is sleep. And this sleep, you see, is the secret superpower. You see, sleep is one of the underrated wellness tips. Not just for kids, even for adults. It is underrated. Do you know that kids who get enough sleep have better focus, stronger immune system, and also improved behavior? I hope you know most school-age children need at least 9 to 12 hours sleep every night. The fourth tips I'm going to be providing is emotional wellness and screen balance. Do you know that this health you see isn't just about the physical wellness? It also include the emotional well-being. So, encouraging your children to talk about their feelings, reducing excessive screen time, and spending quality family time together. All these I've mentioned build resilience and confidence in a child. So pay attention to your kids' emotional well-being and not just the physical. It has a lot of role to play in their life. If you've gotten to this point, please do not stop. Just finish it up. I just have one tip left for you and it's going to amaze you. It's going to surprise you that tip can actually help a child to grow well and become smart, strong, and healthy. The number 5 tip I'll be talking about now is learning through fun. It is good to understand that wellness also means curiosity. You see, reading, puzzle, creative play helps kids develop problem-solving skills and confidence. For that, a balanced child isn't just healthy in the body but sharp in the mind. I want you to know that raising a healthy, smart kid or kids isn't about perfection, but then it's about small, consistent choices that add up. From balanced nutrition to play, then sleep, emotional support, and fun learning goes a long way. If you find this video helpful, give this video a like, share it with other parents, and subscribe for more health and wellness insights every week here on Aster-Care Arena. Bye!